Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to check the tags of other YouTube videos. So if you want to know how to check the YouTube tags of other people, then please do watch this video till the end. It's really easy and simple. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Google Chrome. It can only be done in Google Chrome because you can add extension. It's a Google Chrome extension, and what you need to do is go to Google Web Store and you need to go to the store. And what you need to do is click upon over here and click and type the keyword. You need to type vidIQ vision, that is over here, and you'll be loaded. Press enter. So you have the option of first extension vidIQ vision for YouTube. So I have already downloaded this. If you want, I'm again going to download so that you will know how to do. So click upon this and click on add to Chrome. Then what you need to do is you need to create a vidIQ vision account for it, and after creating the account by giving your Gmail, just go to YouTube. So in YouTube we have many videos, so you can click upon anything. So now I am going to click upon top 25 craziest moments in football part 2. So you can see that there are overviews over here on the right side, and this is because of the vidIQ vision, and you'll get all the how much views it has been, like it's 2.2 million engagement. Then you'll get their tags, their video tags, and also their channel tags. So if you want to copy their channel tags, then what you need to do is just click this icon over here, the clip icon, and the tag will be copied to your clipboard, and just right click on your tag, on your video tag, and paste. This is how you can check the video tags of other YouTubers. And if you are struggling to get your videos on the top list, then you can try this method to get more views for your video. Thank you.